Electric vehicle is the future. We all are hearing this since a long time. But do you know what's the future of the future? If you don't know, then hold your breath and keep your popcorn ready and watch this video of future of the future till end. Hello friends, I'm Saket Dongre, founder and CEO of SkillDx, author of the story of a failure, welcomes you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about fully electric autonomous RoboTaxi, which is launched by a company called as Zoox. It is a California-based company owned by Amazon. So without wasting time, let's start the video. The fully electric driverless robotaxi is an adventure journey of a researcher named Jesse Levison and entrepreneur and designer named Tim Kentley-Clay. They together founded Zoox in 2014. They had a concept in their mind of the safest vehicle that can transport passengers to their destination and can help in reducing the roadside accidents. But there is a twist of this vehicle, and this vehicle will be steering-less and driverless. I think the concept is great, but how the passenger will sit in this vehicle? Do you have any idea? Well, it's a simple idea. The idea is the way we friends sit together by facing each other. And with this idea, they started to develop their vehicle. We all know that big companies like Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, PayPal, etc. they have started their journey through a small cabin or in a garage. Similarly, Zoox have started their journey in a firehouse. They converted the firehouse to Zoox office, and their first prototype called as VH1 was developed in this office in California in 2015. After successfully driving test of the VH1 in California, they developed their second prototype, that is VH2. And after a lot of sketching and iterations in their technology, in 2016, they finally developed their first second generation prototype, that is VH4. The VH4 completed a test as first ever bi-directional flipped vehicle. I would say the VH4 is the first vehicle to have both the direction without front and back side. Isn't that amazing? Without the front or back, VH4 simplified the complex driving, that is pulling it into a parking spot, flipping its light and again continuing its journey. After more developments and continuous R&D, Zoox finally arrived in San Francisco, completing their first autonomous drive in Menlo Park with zero interventions. They completed the test at night as well as during day when there was traffic. Finally, after a lot of developments, in 2017, they made a full-size clay model of their vehicle. In automotive industry, clay modeling and sketching is very important. But well, why it is very important? You guys tell me in the comment section. From 2017 to 2020, a lot of things happened in Zoox. They expanded their team. They also did a lot of tests on the roads. In 2019, their prototype VS6 went on the durability and safety test, ensuring to launch its vehicle in the market. Consistency and hard work always pays off. In 2020, Zoox was acquired by Amazon and they also started their assembly and production lines operations. Guys, I'm truly inspired by their journey, and this also motivates me to work very hard on my EV project. Now let's move to the most exciting part of this video. What is this technology that makes Zoox RoboTaxi a remarkable vehicle? The first is their autonomy. Zoox vehicle uses unique architect combining cameras, lidars and radars to see the surroundings. Their sensor placements provides an overlapping field view, and this sounds really amazing. The 360-degree coverage and overlapping field view of this vehicle enables redundancy and for the vehicle to perceive information in all the directions equally. Because of this vehicle feature, it can see 150 meters away in all directions and even around the corners. That means Zoox vehicle can safely see what's coming long before it's anywhere close. Zoox vehicles are built with a powerful compute system as well as redundant backups that house their proprietary software. This means their vehicles can make quick decisions to continue to drive safely. Zoox vehicles drive in predefined areas using a purpose-built geometric and semantic map. This vehicle doesn't just see the object, it identifies them. Their advanced perception software categorizes pedestrians, vehicles, and other road users in real time. All these predictions by their system are done with a sophisticated machine learning to anticipate what people and vehicles will do next. And their proprietary planning system brings all this data together to move Zoox smoothly through dense urban environments. All these technologies integrated together in a vehicle makes it an autonomous bidirectional taxi. Well, just a thought came in my mind, what if we bring this robotaxi in India, on the Indian roads, how it will behave? Just try to imagine it. But do you know one interesting part of this vehicle? It is the safety of this vehicle. Zoox's first priority is safety. No one will sit in a vehicle which is unsafe. Every part of Zoox is designed to keep you safe, whether you are riding with the vehicle or not. In fact, their purpose-built autonomous vehicle includes more than 100 safety innovations that do not exist in today's conventional cars. Right now, I will tell 3 notable safety features of this vehicle that is highlighted in their 2021 safety reports. This vehicle has a shorter stopping distance. Each wheel on their vehicle has an independent braking and active suspension system that help avoiding potential crashes through better tire traction and more controlled weight distribution. Their precise 4-wheel steering is one of the most unique attributes of this vehicle. Its ability to control all 4 wheels individually, including speed, power, and direction, allows the vehicle to stay within a few centimeters of the desired trajectory. The best part of this vehicle is its bidirectional feature. This feature has ability to steer and drive with all 4 wheels. The Zoox vehicle can navigate in either direction as needed, eliminating the need for extra maneuver like 3-point turn. Now guys, if you want to know all the safety measures used in this vehicle, I suggest you to read the safety article which I will pin in the comment section. This article will give you a checklist of all the safety measures which you can use in your EV or autonomous vehicle if you wish to design or develop or manufacture it. Now guys, tell me, is this fully electric autonomous robotaxi is the future of the future electric vehicle? Whatever your views are, let me know in the comment section. Also tell me, would you like to have a ride in this vehicle? Before ending this video, I would like to share my thoughts on the vehicle. I really like the concept of these Zoox, the way they have built, the way they have implemented all the safety measures. But again, I would like to know what is the cost of the robotaxi and what will be the cost of transportation of the passenger. Also, I personally would like to experience their ride. If robotaxi people you are watching this video, then you can sponsor me for the ride. But there's a question in my mind. If we bring this vehicle in India, will this model be successful?